Good morning, guys. Welcome to another Voodoo vlog. I'm on my way to Haldiram Lajpat Nagar. Today is a special ride. Ride's been organized by 93.5 Red FM. Details of the ride I'll give you once I'm at the meeting point. I'm on the way. Just leaving now. It's not going to be a long ride. It's a very interesting ride. It's something to do with the Riders Music Festival, which is coming up soon. Give you the details once I'm on the bike. Okay, see you in a bit. Just reached the meeting point. Morning, sir. Morning. Oh, good morning. Good to see you. Yeah, good to see you. Hi, Anu. Hi, Anu. How are you? Hi, Anu.
Hugged on camera.
How are you, Anu?
Now what will happen?
Good to see you, Anu.
Thank you, tell me what will happen now. No, you have to tell me.
This is awful.
Angie, I love you.
Yeah, love you too. Love you too, Anu.
I miss you, Angie. I miss you.
Isko band kar do.
I'm sorry.
Shit, it's on the vlog now.
Where are your knees?
Good to see you, Anu. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
What have you got?
The BMW. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
गंदी आदतें नहीं हैं।
नहीं कभी भी नहीं Sir, how are you? Morning sir. Good to see you. बड़ी देर के बाद है, क्या हाल है? सच कहा sir. How are you sir? Good to see you. Very well sir. Very well. क्या हाल है? सच कहा sir. Morning जी. Very good. सारे जवान यहाँ खड़े हैं। मेरे तो सरिस्का भाई। क्या हाल है? थैंक्स सर, थैंक यू। क्या हाल है जी? So what a lineup today, yeah? Amazing. Lot of bikers. We're still not half the strength of the group. We're leaving now. Look at the number of bikes here, and look at the variety of bikes. Awesome. So 93.5 Red FM has invited us for a ride. This is an exclusive God's Ride group of Delhi Superbikers. They've invited us for the prelude to Riders Music Festival, which is about to happen in February. The dates and venue is yet to be confirmed. The invite that we've got from them I'll put up on the screen somewhere here. You can take a look. This ride, so we're riding to the Red FM head office right now in Noida. The ride's going to be flagged off from there. We're going to be joined by two of their RJs. This ride is also being recognized by the UP police, Noida police. In fact, the Noida police is going to be flagging off this ride from the Red FM office, and this will also help us bring awareness about the entire biking community. So if you guys haven't seen my previous vlog, I think it was the last vlog which I had made on the entire fiasco of bikers that happened with Noida a few weekends ago in December. So a lot of crap happened. A lot of people went through a lot of harassment. Whether the police was right or not right is still debatable. So but this will definitely bring out all the issues, and this will kind of cover it all up, and as in cover it all up in a way, as in clear it all up. And the fact that it's going to be recognized by, I think it's going to be betterment for the entire biking community. So that's the right plan, and I will see you once we're at the head office. So we're almost there. These are the guys welcoming us. We are at the Red FM office, but the map is showing it's ahead. I guess the map, the location's wrong. Hey guys, so we're outside the Red FM 93.5 Red FM office. I guess we're collecting outside. Let's see what the right plan is. We're supposed to go for breakfast. They're supposed to take us for breakfast to a place called Peach Lounge Bar and Cafe, which is in Sector 96 Noida. So let's see how it goes. So like I said, we've got a police escort for this ride. The DCP is going to be flagging off. These are the patrolling cars that are going to be escorting us. Some of the team members are already here. That's the Red FM office.
Making me wake up. I've had a lot of boys make me stay late, but like so many men waking me up so early. It can only happen in Red FM's Riders Music Festival, but then I cannot say only boys, there are girls here. Look at you, high heels, hi. Hi. I love the cap, by the way. Now, there's no end to it. Heights का end नहीं होता. Heights का कभी end नहीं होता. अब मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ अगर मैं ये बोल दूँ कि मैं 5 बजे सो के अभी आ रही हूँ यहाँ पे. That would be like...
All geared up, leaving. The escort car is leaving. I shall be one of the guys behind because I want to catch the group from the back, and I will try and cover them. I'll ride through all of them and go ahead and catch all of them. Just finished our breakfast at Peach Microbrewery Bar Kitchen at Sector 96. We'll do Pari Chowk. We'll do that loop and then head back home. Finally on the Greater Noida Expressway. I'm so happy we're doing this stretch after the breakfast. Otherwise the ride was very limited. It was a very short ride from home to 93.5 Red FM office and then to Peach Microbrewery in Sector 96. And then everybody was trying to go back home. But I'm glad after breakfast we decided to do Pari Chowk. At least it feels like a Sunday morning ride. So just left Pari Chowk after saying bye-bye to everyone. 14 minutes I should be home. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. It has been a good ride, decent ride. Absolutely overcast weather. Thanks to being completely cloudy, there's hardly any fog. So ideal conditions for us to ride. And the weather's also very nice. Thank you. I will not be riding next Sunday. I am traveling to Mumbai, Bombay in another 3 days. I shall be attending the Coldplay concert on 19th of Jan in Mumbai. So anybody watching this, you guys want to meet me or hit me up in at the concert, I have the cheapest tickets, which is the floor plan. There'll be thousands of people, but maybe one tall guy with a turban might stand out. So maybe a red or blue turban. Anyway, irrespective, point is I will be there if anybody wants to meet up. Otherwise I will see you guys next to next weekend on the bike. I'll see if I can capture anything of Coldplay on the Bombay trip and put it up on the screen. Otherwise I'll see you. And please, oh by the way, YouTube family has started growing. I am so happy. We're at almost 20,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is very, very good. Thankfully, so Instagram has always been there, but YouTube was a little slow, but Sunday's picked up. I'm very happy with that. So please do subscribe to YouTube. Please do follow on Instagram and keep watching. Stay tuned and I will catch you in the next one. Alright guys, see you. Bye.